Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain our new, the latest and greatest aloe vera gel comparing to these other ones. So check it out. As I mentioned, in this video, I'm going to explain our new aloe vera gel by ForeverLivingProducts. You're probably already familiar that ForeverLiving is the largest aloe vera company in the world that makes many different products from this aloe vera plant. Not specifically from this one, but actually from a plant called Barbadensis Miller. And today I'm going to be talking about aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel is pretty much a drinking juice, a drink that many people drink for their stomach related issues and problems. I don't believe that there's anything in the world that is more natural, that is better than drinking pure aloe vera gel for any stomach related issues, stomach related problems and issues. Now, I'm not a doctor and I'm not making any claims, but based on my experience being with the company for 15 years, I have seen so many people get help and feeling better and also looking better while drinking these aloe vera products. And for about 40 years, company had this aloe vera gel on the market in this type of bottle. However, with the latest and greatest technology, our company is able to provide better quality product now in a new packages. So at one point we had this bottle, also aloe vera gel, was coming in this bottle, packaged in Germany or Poland. And now the latest and greatest aloe vera gel product in this very fancy bottle, aloe vera gel, comes in this special PET plastic. And this is the best product yet that the company has offered and produced. So it is the same company, it is the same size, 1 liter, the same size. This jug just looks a little bit more wider, but also shorter. So this is 1 liter, this is 1 liter, and this is 1 liter. And generally, it's the same price, same size, same company, and now the product comes in this bottle. However, they're able to create even better product. And what I mean by that, I mean it because in this bottle, now we have 99.7% pure aloe vera gel. We had never had that. It was close, but now it's even better. And with all these different labels, because we don't have any sugar, we don't have any water, this is gluten-free, this is kosher, and this is halal, and this is simply the best aloe vera gel drinking juice that you can buy on the market. So in this short video, I just wanted to explain you and tell you that if you want to buy this, company is phasing out this bottle, and when you buy this one, these bottles are generally not available anymore. So here in Canada and United States, this is the bottle that is available now, and company will introduce this type of bottle to rest of the world over a period of time, and the sooner the better, because the bottle is safe and it's very durable and it protects the product in the best possible way. So that's that. If you would like to purchase one of these products, you can contact me directly. Of course, if you're local and buy directly from me, I generally carry them in stock so you can purchase it. Also, even better, you can buy them online. So just follow the link here, right here. I'm going to put it here, and you can buy these products online, and we will ship these products directly to you, whether you're in United States, in Canada, here in Canada, or any other country. We have these products available in 160 countries around the world, and we will simply ship it from the local warehouse to your place. So for example, if you live in the United States, the product will come from our US warehouse, and if you live in Canada, anywhere in Canada, then you're going to receive it from our Canadian warehouse in Canada. All right, that will be all from me for today about these wonderful aloe vera products that now this aloe vera gel comes in this new packaging. Thank you. Bye-bye.